Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you notice that I am wearing the same clothes from the past video, is because it is the same day, and I wanted to just film this video really quick, and it is a unboxing video for BzzKit, this one right here, and I'm super excited because it is a pretty big box and I didn't expect this. Anyways, if you guys don't know what BzzKit is, it is a company that sends out free products for you to test out and review. It's free to sign up. All you have to do is tell them what you like, and they will email you and ask you if you're interested in a campaign, and then you say yes and put your address, and that's it. So anyways, let's unbox it. I'm super excited, and it's kind of heavy too. I wonder what it is because I didn't expect to get this box here, or at least I didn't see the email.
It's a big box.
So this is what it looks like inside, and it has a card that says, want to receive more BzzKits from your favorite brands? Stay in the know on new and upcoming Buzz campaigns by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We reward our most active Buzz agents with even more campaigns, so don't delay. Start buzzing today. BzzAgent.com. There you guys go. If you guys want to sign up, it is free to do so. So that is the website. So they sent me a huge box of Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tart bites. Ooh, I'm super excited. I was actually craving Pop-Tarts the other day, but I've never seen these before, so I guess they are new. So they sent me the Pop-Tart Bites Frosted Strawberry Tasty Filled Pastry Bites. 20 pouches inside.
Ooh, that's super exciting.
So this is the box that they sent me. It's pretty big, and I haven't ate today, so this will be my lunch. I'm going to taste it here for you guys. There goes one bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It is full of beautiful Pop-Tarts. I'm so excited. So they come in cute little bags like this. One pouch is one serving size, and this is perfect for me because I am going to college, so I could just take one of these when I go to college and eat it as a snack. So thank you so much, BzzAgent and Pop-Tarts. Oh, it smells so good. So this is what they look like. So cute. It's definitely a mini size of a real Pop-Tart. Oh, I already broke it. It kind of looks like a dog biscuit or something. Oh my gosh, these are delicious. I don't know if they're going to last a week. I think they're only gonna last a couple of days. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have already tried these. What do you guys think? What is your favorite flavor? But anyways, that is everything that I got from BzzAgent. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested in signing up. It is completely free. And yeah, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.